Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh Anand. In this video, we are going to see about the turns ratio testing. So, the turns ratio testing is the number of turns of your primary winding divided by the number of turns of your secondary winding, which means the turns ratio confirms the ratio uh, accuracy of your primary turns and your secondary turns. So normally, first of all, the voltage ratio and turns ratio, both of them will identify your accuracy of your tap changers, which is connected with your primary of your equipment, which means which is connected to your primary side of your equipment transformer. So we will have a little discussion with the voltage ratio testing. So this voltage ratio testing, in which the voltage is injected in your primary side, primary side of your equipment and measured in the secondary side of your equipment, then Vp divided by Vs. This is your common formula. Here we have the injected voltage and injected voltage of your primary and your secondary. So after dividing with it, we will get one measured value, and that measured value will be compared with your actual value. The actual value will be there in your transformer nameplate itself. So after comparing with it, we need to calculate the errors. So this is your common terms of your single phase transformer. In such a way, for a three phase transformer in which the primary is a delta connected. I have taken an example as a delta star transformer. So primary delta side, I am injecting a three phase voltage and measuring the voltage in a secondary side of your transformer. So this is your common terms of your three phase transformer measurement, in which defines the concurrent tap changing position is having a correct value. So normally we are injecting a low voltage, which means a three phase voltage for even it may be a 11 kV transformer, or even it may be for a voltage level of 800 kV also. So after calculating all these values, which means we need to measure all these values, and you need to calculate them with the actual value, which means the actual value will be there in your nameplate itself. Transformer ratio values will be there in your nameplate itself, and then you need to do the error calculation measurement for it. So you need to measure all these values in here. This measurement will be done by the injecting a three phase voltage in your primary side and measuring them in a secondary side. This is your commonly using voltage ratio test in a three phase transformer. So now we are going to check the turns ratio testing. The turns ratio testing is nothing but the simplest form of our voltage ratio testing. The voltage ratio testing, it's that much accuracy or not, we are not able to check, because there may be a load distraction. We can get any deviation in the injecting voltage due to the load distractions, or it may be a if any non-linear load is connected with your three phase supply, which can affect your injecting voltage of your voltage ratio testing. So in order to get an accurate level of your transformer tap changes measurements, we are going with the turns ratio test. So the turns ratio test will be done for all the tappings of your transformer. This is your common single phase transformer turns ratio kit connections.